We're excited. We're going to Ikea. We'll see how it goes. Samantha's probably want to spend way too much money.
We're here.
We're here. Ready?
Oh, I'm ready. I've been ready for ever.
Let's do this, Ikea.
Perfect lighting. Well, disappointed again.
Oh my goodness. Yeah.
Huh? I miss you too, Dad.
You guys have fun with Grammy?
Yeah.
Well, girl,
What?
you're off to grade 1?
Yeah.
What's wrong?
The bus is taking so long right now.
Yeah. Well, hey, I love you. I'll miss you. Hey. Hey. Hannah.
That's cool.
I'll see you in a couple days.
In a couple of days, too.
Alright, and good morning. Today is a special day. This is a Married and Parented vlog. And today, Samantha and I, we are going on our weekend date. We're going to another city. We're going to Halifax. And the kids are staying with the grandparents. So, we're excited. We're going to Ikea. We'll see how it goes. Samantha's probably want to spend way too much money. But it'll be nice to get away and go to a hotel. And listen, if you're new, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe if you haven't already. We do vlogs relatively daily. And today, it's Ikea trip. So, let's start it.
I have makeup on. We've made it to Halifax. We're just along, oh, you can't see the side. We're along the harbor. So we're just coming in Halifax now. We're gonna go find our hotel in a minute. Feel good to be back?
It's nice. It's like we never left.
But we have. We're here.
We're here. Ready?
Oh, I'm ready. I've been ready for ever.
Let's do this, Ikea.
Perfect lighting.
So far we got 2 things. Happy?
Not really. I'm so disappointed. Ikea's empty. So many things I came here specifically for that weren't here.
But you got a rug.
Got a nice rug. We haven't been here in a long time.
I think one of our first places we went in Halifax.
We came here a lot. Really.
Yep. Hey, where are you going?
I'm going to a hotel. Starbucks is permanently closed. We've been upgraded to a soaker tub.
It's like our honeymoon. Oh my goodness.
Oh, isn't it so beautiful?
cool. We're so lame. We obviously don't get out much because like, we're like, wow, it's furniture.
We got like super upgraded. This is wicked. Oh no. Oh my goodness.
Your most exciting part here. Looks nice and spacious. Well, we are happy.
And I was like, Aaron, ask them if our room has a bathtub. Originally it did not. So we got with a big bathtub.
Well, that's the end of night 1. Tomorrow, more IKEA. Bye-bye.
I'm gonna have a bath.
Get out of here.
Get out of here.
All right, welcome to day 2. And it is the morning. Feeling very tired. You feeling very tired? You look beautiful though. Nice girls. So we're going to head out of this nice hotel that I cranked the heat on too much last night. My fault. So first, we're going to go quickly back to IKEA, see if there is a dresser that said it was sold out last night, but online it says there's one left. So let's go see if it's there. I hope it's here.
I do.
Think it's here?
It better be here. So what's... Oh, it's the same one. So they do have one left. Yes. Let's get it. Quick. 3 boxes. Make sure that's it. That's not it. Nope, but this is it. 1. Product comes in 3 packages. 1, 2, 3. Is that 1? Okay. Yeah.
No, 2?
Huh. Well, let me see, is it the same one? No, it's definitely not the same dresser. Well, disappointed again.
What happened?
So there's one left in stock, but it's here, but it's missing a box. So it's not in stock.
Somebody took a box.
Somebody took an extra box, number 2.
All right, 3rd time's a charm. Last IKEA trip before we go home.
And then we go home to our babies. I miss our kids.
IKEA montage, here we go. Wait, what is it?
It's Winter. Alright, another failed attempt at IKEA, but we did walk away spending $200. Which is pretty simple and easy to do. We're just gonna head to the mall and find the kids a present and then head home to them because we miss them so much.
You can always find something.
Always. Alright.
IKEA was
Slim pickings this week.
bittersweet.
They say all their orders are coming in a week, so we won't be back in a week.
All right, we're done. Let's go see your babies.
Let's go home.
Okay.
I'm so excited to see the kids. Let's go. Hopefully they're still awake. Hey! I don't know if you guys were awake.
Hello.
Hi. Your hair's curly. You must have had a bath. I miss you.
You guys look tired. All right. Can you say goodnight to the vlog?
Okay. Can I press it?
Yep. Well, it definitely has been a great couple nights, but we're tired now. Kids are off to bed. Thanks for watching our IKEA trip, I guess. Yeah, it's pretty much an IKEA trip. So if you haven't liked, subscribe, and we will see you in our next vlog for our next family adventure. See ya.